Hi everyone, this video explains you on how to automate an Android application using Appium. Here I'm going to use C# language for scripting. Before going to actual scripting, there are some softwares needs to be installed and there are some configurations need to be set. So what I'm going to do here is I will divide this video into two sections, where my first section means my first video explains you on how to install all the softwares and how to configure all the settings. Continuation of to this video, my second video will explain you the actual scripting to test an Android mobile application. So as I already informed, before going to actual scripting, there are some softwares needs to be installed and there are some configurations need to be set. I have collected all the information and divided into 10 stages. I will be explaining you each and every stage step by step. My first step is to install Java, configure and set Java environment variables. To do that one, navigate to this particular link and download JDK and install this JDK into your machine. There are some more options like server JRE and JRE, which is not required for our Android mobile testing. We required JDK. JDK means Java Development Toolkit. Only JDK needs to be installed. Make sure. And after downloading and installing, we need to set environment variables. Right click on my computer, navigate to properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables and create a new system variable where I already created, like variable name as Java_home and variable value should be the path where Java is installed till JDK 1.8. Copy that path and place in variable value. That's it. My first stage is completed. Coming to second stage, navigate to this particular link and download the latest version of Android SDK. The latest version is 24.4.1. Download this zip file to your local machine and unzip it, which I already been done. Now I need to set the Android environment variables. To do that one, right click on my computer, click on properties, click advanced system settings, click on environment variables and create a new system variable as variable name as Android_home and the variable value will be the path where the Android SDK is installed. Copy this particular path and place it as variable value. Click OK, OK and OK. My second step is completed. Coming to third stage, I need to set path variables. The use of setting the path variables is if we want to launch the Android or Java or any other software from command prompt, we need to set the path variables. Now we will see how to set the path variables. Go to my computer, right click on my computer, go to properties, advanced system settings, click on environment variable and go to path and edit text. Here add all the Java and Android paths at the end of the variable values. Add semicolon and give the path of where Java is installed. Add semicolon and give the path where Android is Android exe is placed. Add semicolon and give Android underscore home platform tools where UI Automator Viewer is exe is placed. Okay. After doing this, we can open Android UI Automator Viewer or Java any software from command prompt. Setting the path variables is completed. Coming to fourth stage, verify Java and Android SDK configurations. We already set Java and Android SDK environment variables, but we need to verify or confirm whether the configurations had been set correctly or not. To verify that one, open run, type %java underscore home % and click on OK, where the Java bin location folder should be opened. In the same way, open run, type %android underscore home %, click on enter, where the Android or the SDK manager application file location folder should be opened. If this is done, the configurations are set correctly. The Java and Android SDK configurations are set correctly. So my fourth stage is completed. Coming to fifth stage, open Android and install required Android versions, tools and extras. As we already set our path variables, so we can open Android application from command prompt. Open command prompt and type Android, click enter, where my Android SDK manager will be opened. This Android SDK manager can be opened from command prompt because we already set the path variable, and select what are all the Android versions needs to be installed. Here I'm selecting tools, extras, and all the Android versions starting from 4.0. I'm selecting all the versions and click on install packages, where I have already installed some of the packages. I already installed the packages which I already required. You need to install all the packages what you needs to be tested. So my fifth stage is completed. Coming to sixth stage, Appium. Navigate to this particular link, download Appium and install Appium into your machine. So sixth stage is completed. Here I am selecting GoIBbo app for my testing. Before that, there are some settings needs to be set. So go to settings, additional settings, developer options, enable developer options. A confirmation message came. Click on OK. In the same way, enable USB debugging. Again a confirmation message came. Click on OK. Another confirmation message will come asking for computer's RSA key fingerprint. Click on OK. If this developer options is not available in your mobile, then go to About Phone and there is an option called build number. Continuously tap that build number 7 times. Here if you see no need to proceed this operation, you are already a developer. I already done this one, so for me developer options is enable. If you are not having, do this. And also enable USB tethering. It is asking for another confirmation. Click on OK. And install APK info application in your mobile to get the package name, package information and activity information of the application which you are going to test. Here I'm using GoIBibo app. So to get the package name and activity information of that GoIBibo app, I need to navigate to that particular application and I can view all this information. This information is used at the time of scripting. 8th stage, install PDA Net Plus, and 9th stage, install node.js. These two are optional. Whenever your mobile is not connected to your PC or laptop, you can install these two softwares which helps to connect your mobile to your PC. Coming to 10th stage, working on UI Automator Viewer. To open UI Automator Viewer, open command prompt, type UI Automator Viewer, click enter. The application will be opened. This application can be opened from command prompt because we already set the exe path as environment variable. What is the use of this UI Automator is, here I am testing a Android mobile app called GoIBibo. To get the application information and control information, this UI Automator Viewer is helpful. There is an option called device screenshot. Second option, click on this. Open the GoIBibo app in your mobile, where it will get the exact screenshot here, and you can spy the each and every control to get the property information which helps to write scripting. My 10th stage is also completed.